Hello guys, good morning and welcome to another brand new weekly update, episode 49. So actually it's morning. I didn't later deliver the bag again as promised, so I'm taking the delivery this morning. I'll be taking it to the owner. So as you can see, I have it already packaged inside this place. So but by the way, let me turn the camera so I can show you. But this is where we are going to start the weekly update this week. So we'll still proceed with the rest of the activities we will be doing this week. So stay tuned to watch it, as there will be interesting video and interesting work we'll be doing this week. So thank you guys for watching, and I will proceed with the rest of the video right now. So here are the bag. Holes are inside the 7, and the sample, which is this one, making 8. So this is how I'll be taking it there. So finger cross when I get there, if I'm able to film. If I'm not able to film, but I don't think I'll be filming, but I'll just come back to tell you how it went and everything. So we shall see you at the other side. So guys, today we are here again. We thank God for grace actually. So I was able to deliver the bag as said. So now is after 3 days. So we've started another work, the one we say we'll be making, and we'll be adding the design we did last week update. We'll be adding 2 of it to this particular design. So making 5. We are supposed to make that one 3. So we are adding to it, making 5, which are this. So the 2 here and the 3 are here. So I've cut all the side down now. As you can see, some material was added again, and some eyelets and some lock which are inside here, just like the one we normally use. And the one I say I will be making this week are this one with 3 big lock. So as I said, we'll be adding 2 small lock to it, making 5 bag we'll be making in this week of this. So actually I've started work. I was supposed to show this, but no time for me. So these are the 3 I was supposed to make before. I've started. I've cut out everything, both the pattern and the material. I even gummed this down, just like the way we used to use. So this is how it will be looking. It's mix of the material, the croc skin, and this one. So, and the other one are here. It's just pure croc skin, 2 of it. So um right now I will be leaving the studio because I'm going out. I have a meeting to attend. So I'll be dropping this here now. Once I come back, or maybe probably it will be late by tomorrow, I will continue making the video or vlogging and let you guys know where the work stop and the updates you guys need to know or see. So that's just it. That's the updates I have for you right now. So let me turn the camera. So as I've said, I started the work earlier than expected. I was supposed to show you guys the material I got and the new stuff and start everything, but there's no time for me to do that. But the bag, she really loved it. She really loved the bag. Actually, we delivered the 7 and the sample I was given. So this is the one we'll be making this week, this particular design, but it's a little bit, okay, not even a little bit, it's different to this one entirely, but just this. And this one you are seeing here, I'm the one that make it as at last year. So, and we've made something like this year as well, but mini one, while this one is mid. So that's just it. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy all our video, give it a giant thumbs up. And in this week, expect more interesting video that will be coming up. And I think I'm planning on making a sit down video on how to start your bag making business. Some video that will be interesting to you, some updates, some tutorial, some hints, some tricks you can use in your bag making. So stay tuned for that. Once the video are ready, we have to make that down schedule for time. We schedule time to make that. So once that is ready, I'll let you guys know and I'll post it on the channel. But in the community as well, I want you guys to be engaging with me. So before I upload a video, you guys will have idea of the video we are to upload on the channel, and let's talk there, let's communicate. Anything you want, feel free to leave it there, as I will get back to you, and we'll try to make something interesting this year on the channel. So don't let me bore you with my talk. I will see you in the next clips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the other side. So this is after 3 days of abandoning this work. Actually, Well, it's not my fault. Things just came up that I need to attend to, but I will be proceeding with the rest of the work. This is actually one of the front cover because the material is not going to be enough, and I don't want to call the client to give excuse. So instead, I take it upon myself to get a black plain material to just finish the work, both the inside pockets and the cover, the beneath the cover. So I've shown you this the last time I vlogged, but I've not cut out the center, but now I've did on each and every of them. And also I've cut out all the lining I will be needing for both the bag and the side as well. The bottom, this is the one for the bottom of the bag, and these are the ones for the side. Then we have the pocket inside again. I have the plates for the lock because I have two small lock and three bigger locks. So these are the plates, the washer for the two small lock. I already have my zip cloth, my zip head, and the divider inside as well. So right now I will just proceed with the making of the rest of the bag, and whichever way it goes I will update you guys and let you guys know what I'm up to, or the process to go. But by the way, I will still be letting you guys know what happened so that you guys can also learn from this, because that's the reason why, one of the reason why I started this weekly update, so that you guys will be updated and learn some things that I won't normally remember to tell you guys on a particular video. So you see this. But once we are done with one of the bag, you see the outcome of it. Actually, is a two design, almost the same design but a different design. But one is bigger than each other. This one is bigger than that particular one there. But once we continue, you'll see how it turns out. So stay tuned to watch this to the end. I will see you at the other side. So guys, last night or yesterday I was able to finish everything, put the lining at the back of this, then I've sew everything. Here are most of the fronts and the back for the 5 bag we're making. So this is just another bag. Here are some of the fronts, so, and the cover, they are here, and some are outside as well. So you see, okay, today I should finish this bag. I'll try my best. No, I know it's going to take me up tonight, but I'll try my best to finish it. So it's just left for me to cut those lining. I already have the longer one, so I'll just cut it to normal size, then start gluing it down. Then I have these pockets already. It has been sewn with the zip and everything, and I will be fixing the side and the bottom to it before I will finish assembling the bag. As you can see, the one I show you inside, I already fixed the eyelet and half of the lock. I still have the full lock. After I finish bag, that's when I'm going to do that. And again, we have some items here that is being delivered for next week update. We'll be working on it, but probably I'm not going to open it this week. It will be next week because I have to finish the one we are working on now. So expect interesting video by next week. So I will proceed with this now and I will update you how it's going. So guys, the divider has been joined to the bottom and the side. As you can see, one side, that's how we normally do it before we proceed to the second side. Actually, all the side have gum it, and I'm still on the way. Finger crossed, I should be able to finish because this is already to 3. So I should be able to finish the 5 bag today and also insert the chain. I think so. I just finger crossed I should be able to do that. But I'm going out right now. I think I'll be spending an hour, then coming back maybe by 4 o'clock. I'll be back to finish up the work. So that's just the update, guys. It's not easy when only you is working alone, you know. So as I said, I need help. Actually, if you are close to where I am, if you know you really want to work, if you are into this, if you know it already, we can negotiate and talk about payment. Or if you are not into this, if you really want to learn, I can train you with just a limited time so that you can catch up, we can be working together. So good morning, guys. As you can see, we have nothing on the decks again. Even there we have nothing. So I was able to finish most of the stuff last night. As you can see, those are the bags there, the 5 of it. So I tried to finish everything, fix the chain and the lock yesterday, but there's still screw I need to add to the lock as well. So I'll be doing that right now. But the bag are already done, and I think I'll be packaging them now so that the delivery man can take it to the clients. So I'll just finish this now within just 10 minutes or 20 minutes. I'll do everything. I'll take a picture I'll be using on the channel as thumbnails. So I think this is what I will be using as thumbnail for the channel. So this is just it, and I think we have a lot of work to do again. Something like this, something exactly like this particular one, and some smaller one that are not up to this. So we'll be making that, and I think that's just it. So guys, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you can notify when we upload a new video. Share this with people you know it might be of help to them. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this channel and the tutorial you want us to do, or if you are enjoying this video we are making. If you don't as well, let us know so that we can find something interesting to be doing on the channel as well. So here are the bags. We'll see you at the next one.